Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho CRM scoring using custom criteria, full guide step by step clearly. To update Zoho CRM scoring using custom criteria, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings section located at the top right corner. From the settings menu, select scoring rules under the automation category. Click on create new rule to initiate a new scoring rule. Name your scoring rule to reflect its purpose. Next, choose the module to which you want to apply the scoring rule. Define the criteria for scoring by selecting criteria from the options provided. You can specify conditions based on the fields available in your selected module. For example, choose a field like lead source and define what qualifies for scoring. Set the scoring value that should be assigned when the criteria are met. You can also add multiple conditions by clicking on Add Condition. Use the AND or operators to refine how the criteria should work together. After setting the conditions, review the scoring values assigned to each. Once satisfied with your criteria and scoring values, click on Save. Your new scoring rule will now be active and will automatically evaluate leads based. To ensure the rules are functioning properly, test them with existing records. Review the scores assigned to those records to validate that everything is working as intended. If adjustments are needed, return to the scoring rule and modify the criteria or values accordingly. Finally, regularly monitor and update your scoring rules as needed to keep them relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.